Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Moto E14 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. In the first step to do it, open Settings application and tap on our first function, Network and Internet. In it, we choose our mobile network and there tap on our Virgin Mobile and our SIM card name. And there scroll down and choose data warming and limit, and there we can set data limits. First step, set when our size start, maybe first day of each month. There by the switch we can turn on and turn off data warming, and we can set it in gigabytes, megabytes. Maybe we set warming for 5 gigabytes, and there turn on and confirm by OK data limits and set it maybe on 8 gigabytes we set it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.